Yeah, I speak French, and I'm French. This is the letter E in English, but we don't say E. We said sound check. I need to do a song, so the song we talked about in my last messenger transcription was about Anthrax and the Man. Oops, cell phone. I do have cell phone now. I imagine that. 11:44 and 2 phones for the price of one. $15 for one, $20 for the other one per month. Okay, so let's do I'm the Man or there's too many from Anthrax. The band was then Anthrax. The album was I'm the Man. It was like a short EP or something, 4 or 5 songs. Check it out. It's worth it. Ça vaut la peine. T'as-tu la peine, toi, tabarnak? Moi, je pleure. Quand je veux. Non, en fait, faut que je sois bourré de gratitude. La gratitude seulement me fait brailler. Shut the fuck up, Frenchie! Hein? What? Mouah. Love you too.